Here we are at Social Media Worldwide. Okay, for today, we have Isabella Yosh as our questionnaire. So the first question is, why was our unit theme how we organize ourselves?
I think that it was under the theme how we organize ourselves because it helps people get together even if they are very far away. And it also helps that things don't get misplaced, which happens inside my house anyway. And so, for example, when I want to have a play date with Greta, then our mom and we talked through email, through social media, to see what time we could play. And also, I have categories on my blog. So if I quickly want to see on my math things, then it would quickly go there, and that's how I organize myself on my blog.
Okay, is that it?
Not yet.
Okay.
And also, I have folders on my computer because then I don't have to go through thousands of documents to just find one. That makes it really simple. And yeah, that's it.
Well, that sounds interesting. The next question is, how does social media affect how you access, process, and share information?
Well, I asked my parents, and they actually said that before. They only read books. There was no computers or internet or anything. And now we also get people's opinions and thoughts, not only facts. Sometimes it's also false. And so what I think that books and the internet is the best way to learn. Yep, and that's it.
Okay, the next question is, what were your personal experiences with this unit?
Well, what really helped was having a partner, because we could share the websites through email, or I could post it on my blog if I thought that was good or bad to tell people what I thought. And that was really helpful, and that helped me organize which websites are good and bad.
Okay. Do you have any wonderings?
Well, I have one big question. Is it better to have social media or not? Like, is it better to let everything out, all the gossips and everything, or is it just better to have books and text and everything?
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.